Now that I've officially joined the Matrix family, I'd like to take you on a little tour of the Matrix color portfolio. Let's start with SoColor. SoColor is my go-to permanent color line. Let's talk about the benefits. First, it's 100% gray coverage. There is no guessing. It's going to give you consistent and predictable results. Two, its pre-bonded technology helps keep the integrity of the inner layer of the hair. And three, its extensive color palette gives you true to tone results that give you rich and beautiful color every single time. Let's face it, when it comes to permanent color, we want predictable results. 100% gray coverage every time and pre-bonded technology. Say less, okay? I'm sold. The blended collection, it offers up to 4 levels of lift. So we're talking also about the virgin applications. We're talking anything from copper golds, those beautiful, warm, reflective tones, to your ashes, like your deep, beautiful, cool tones. And it's gonna give you the predictable results, but also give you a beautiful color palette and so many choices. Next, we have the Reflect collection in the yellow box. Reflects contain little to no brown or tan background, so they really let the reds shine through. So I was used to beautiful reds in my old color line, but they were a little bit limited, especially when it came to cool reds. So SoColor offers so many reflective, warmer CCs to cool VRs, and I'm always reaching for the 6RV Plus because it offers me that long-lasting red without it fading to copper. Let's talk about the ULs in the blue box. These are your high lifts, so they're gonna offer up to 5 levels of lift. And I love to use this on virgin hair. It gives you such beautiful, like sun-kissed caramel tones that it looks like she went out in nature and just had like a really good walk. Okay, last but not least, my favorite, don't tell anybody else, but it's the Extra Coverage collection. This gives you 30 colors to choose from. Now, in previous line that I was using, I was kind of limited on that color palette, but not anymore. And this gives you 100% gray coverage on even the most resistant hairs, like, you know, the ones like right here and like right there. Like, they're gonna get them. It's the go-to, it's consistent. It's really like the hard worker of the collection. SoColor is a great permanent color line, and we all know we need great demis in our color collection, and Matrix offers 2. Let's start with Super Sync. Super Sync is truly the do-it-all demi. Let me tell you why. First, it covers grays. Super Sync offers up to 75% gray coverage with absolutely no ammonia. And this gray coverage is more dimensional than your traditional single process permanent color, and gives you the most diffused grow out for lower maintenance, and it's only a 20-minute processing time. No, but seriously, for me, it's all about the shine with Demi. And since I started using Super Sync for toning, glossing, and my color refreshes, I've never seen softer, shinier hair. I also love how creamy it is. It glides on the hair perfectly and stays put, and it can be applied with a bottle or a brush or on damp or dry hair. Super Sync is truly the best alkaline demi I've worked with, but I like options. You know how I am. Matrix also has an acidic gel cream demi, Tonal Control. So Super Sync is the lipstick and Tonal Control is the lip gloss. And I'm always reaching for Tonal Control at the shampoo bowl because it works great on damp hair, and the acidic formula makes it great on clients with more porous hair. I love that Tonal Control is truly just deposit only. So when you want that shadow root with no shift in the base, it's the perfect options. Let me tell you a little secret. So some of my favorite shades are the Blonde Max shades, which are the perfect toners for those like blondes, those porous levels 10 and 11. Last but not least, let's get into the lighteners. We have Light Master, great for your all over lightening and everyday lightening services. It's powerful, it's versatile, and it gives you up to 8 levels of lift. I personally like to use this for my traditional foiling services. It has like the perfect texture to give you the grip you want when applying foil applications. Now, Lightmaster Pre-Bonded is perfect for those with sensitive or previously lightened hair. It offers gentle but effective lightening with up to 8 levels of lift. I love to use this on clients with fine hair who don't really need the added power of high riser. Now, When you need some serious lift, my go-to is High Riser. It has our highest concentration of bonder and it lifts up to 9 levels. It really pushes the boundaries without compromising the hair health. I'm always reaching for High Riser when I get the dark base girlies who want to be platinum. Okay, so what do you guys think? I told you Matrix had an amazing line, and if you have any questions about any of the products I talked about, check out the links below and be sure to like and subscribe. And join us for more Matrix fun.